Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, all I can really say is welcome back, Tesla. This is the Tesla that many people have learned to love. Just pure volatile beast mode all over the place, losing its mind. And I think today we'll be bringing a lot more eyeballs back to it. Not that a lot of people left, but with GameStop and some of these other bigger movers, it's gotten some competition now of being kind of which stock is moving the craziest. But today was definitely a very crazy day. And now that the dust has settled, there's a couple of key levels here that I think a lot of people will be watching. And I mention a lot of people because when there are lots of people watching the same areas and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. So I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or anything like that. I assure you a lot of people are going to be watching these levels. And the first area here is going to be the main support level right down there at the 866 mark. Now, nothing is guaranteed, but my core point here is it's more than rational to think that if the price were to come back down to 866 and then break to the downside, that break right there could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but by no means is that like some sort of random area on the chart. That area holds a lot of significance, and you will be having a lot of people watching that area, so keep a very close eye on 866. If that level is broken, then at that point, I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price at least go down to that 858 mark, if not even a little bit lower than that. Now, on the flip side of things, as same logic, just flipped around to the long side, but every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching that 885 mark. So again, nothing guaranteed, but more than reasonable to think that if the price could work its way up to 885 and then get the break up through there, that break could very well, send it up further, create a lot of upwards buying pressure. And I mean, at that point, might as well go back up there and retest that $900 mark, which is where it finally petered out today. So those are going to be the main levels of resistance and support that I'll be watching moving forward, and I think a lot of other traders will be too. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.